everyone and welcome back to today's video. Let's make sure we're straight here. So I thought I'd do, well, it's 5 products I can't be without. But I was like, is that including skincare? Or is that including makeup? I don't know. So I've gone with 6 products that I can't live without. It might not be that particular thing or brand, but it's something that I can't live without, okay? Right. So first off, number 1, I cannot be without a balm cleanser, cleansing balm. This is my favorite. This is the Hardie Moringa cleansing balm. I always go back to this. Sometimes I try different things, but I always come back to this. But essentially, I always use a cleansing balm. That for me is non-negotiable. Cleansing balm takes off all my makeup. It's my first cleanse. And I use it as a double cleanse with a face wash. But this is number 1 for me. Number 2, sunscreen. Never a day without it, even when it's rainy, cloudy. And this is my favorite. I've tried a lot. I've tried expensive. I've tried mid-range, whatever. This is my favorite. And I always try to find the best price for this. So I will shop around on the internet. Right, where can I get this for the best price? This is my favorite one. I try something else and I'm like, no. There's something about this that it leaves skin looking so beautiful that you could just go without makeup. You don't feel greasy, sweaty, clammy, like you've just put loads of sunscreen on. So usually when I go for my walk in the morning, I don't want to put a full face of makeup on at 7 in the morning. I want that nice fresh morning air, if you watched my vlog before. But I don't like having absolutely nothing on. So this just gives me a bit of confidence and a bit of glow on the skin. And it is just, you know, I can't be without this. It's basically my moisturizer and sunscreen in one. I love it. Now, onto makeup. Products I can't be without. Now, you know I've got an array of foundations. So, foundation, it covers all foundations. So, a product I can't be without is foundation, full stop, right? And at the moment, my favorite is Doublwear. I just love this during the winter months. I'm wearing this today. This is 2W1 Dawn. Foundation for me is one of my favorite parts of makeup. It's my favorite step of makeup. I love it. I love putting it on. I love how I feel wearing it. And it's just overall wonderful part of makeup. And Doublwear is a firm favorite of mine, but you know, I could change it up. I could mix them. So do you know what I mean? So foundation. Next would be for concealer. Again, cannot be without a concealer. I have loads of concealers. My favorite is the Tarte Shape Tape. It's just such a good concealer. I've got this on today. I love it. If you're wearing a more sheerer foundation, this just acts as extra coverage. It is amazing. It just elevates your makeup. It fills in. And I can see why it's called Shape Tape, because it actually does taper. It fills in, it shapes. It's amazing. And now that we've got access to Sephora now here in the UK, I cannot believe it. We've been waiting for this. Sephora has now launched online here in the UK. Hallelujah. So I am adding to my basket everything the American girls love. Do you know what I mean? Oh, Bertie's looking for a cuddle. Where's your ballie, Bertie? Where's your ballie there? Oi. Oh, we went out so early this morning, goodness. So, yeah, concealer. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Powder. Again, my favorite bits of makeup are base, foundation, concealer, powder. And I cannot have the 3 on there. I cannot have one without the other. Do you know what I mean? So setting powder is incredibly important to me. Either translucent or a powder foundation. I love a translucent powder for under my eyes. This is the Huda Beauty Bake. I happen to have this under my eyes today. I also, do you know what I love about this? Here's a tip. So I use a sponge to set my under eyes and I do my makeup, but like by the end of the day or, you know, after lunch and you get a bit shiny, just take your sponge, put it back in this powder and then dab over. Oh my God, it's amazing. It just looks so nice. It refreshes your makeup, gets away any of the oil, but without adding a lot of powder. It's so nice. That's my new favorite thing to do. So I love that. But for my face, I like to set with a powder foundation. And Bertie, oh my goodness. He's so... Wee! Oh. Oh dear. I like to set with a powder foundation, and one of my favourites is the BarePro, which I have on today. And it's, listen, double wear with Bertie. Double wear with a powder foundation on top is incredible. It just brings the warmth back, because for me this is a little bit light, so it just brings the warmth back, you know. So yeah. Now number 6, bronzer. Bronzer. Why did I say it so funny? Bronzer. Bronzer. I cannot do a face and not have bronzer. Bronzer brings the warmth back. I mean, I saw somebody done their makeup and it was just foundation, and I was like, foundation and highlighter, and I was like, well, where's the bronzer? Where's the blush? You know? And I am obsessed with this at the moment. Do you know, this is so old. I've had this for about 10 years. I think I got it for my, wow, what birthday did I get it for? 31st? Oh, I don't know. But it's still going strong, and I've got it on today. This just really warms up the skin. So it's, you know, it's, for me, it's not about contouring, it's about warming up the skin. And again, when I'm telling you what I can't live without, bronzer, it can be any bronzer that I have. It could be my Laguna, it could be my, Warmth by BareMinerals, it could be Hourglass. I'm just telling you what I've used today. So but in general, I've got to have a bronzer. I cannot not have a bronzer. Oh no, Bertie, no. Come on. I've got to have a bronzer, because that just makes the foundation. Oh, he's really annoying me. What are you doing? Where's your ball? Yeah, I've got to have a bronzer. It's just, yeah. Am I making sense? Highlighter is give or take for me. And mascara, you know. So yeah. Those are my 6 things I can't. Oh, he's taking my socks. Stop it! Those are my 6 things my 6 products that I can't be without. Let me know some of yours. I hope you enjoyed my vlog yesterday. It's a new thing that I'm kind of thinking of doing. I'm thinking of doing 3 videos a week. Well, I say that, you know, I talk a lot of guff sometimes, but like 1 makeup tutorial, 1 chit chat and coffee, blah, blah. And 1 sort of vlog. Now my vlogs are not like everyone else's, okay? I'm like, you know, I'm gonna go to the coffee shop, I'm gonna get a coffee vlog, walk vlog. It's kind of like that, and just see how it goes. You know, no pressure for me. Anyway, I hope you're all well. I hope you're having a fabulous week. It's Halloween week. Oh my god, I should have worn something Halloweeny. Oh my god. Or maybe, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I shall chat to you all soon. Ta-da!